We're here at Mobile Bay Harley-Davidson. Usually Master Tech Neil would be joining me, but he doesn't want to be on camera today. So he just showed me this little trick. I've had this happen to me a bunch of times where the seat bolt either vibrates off or I'm taking the seat off to check the battery or whatever, and the piece that holds it on under the fender comes off. And as you can see on this bike, I've got stretch bags, I've got a stretch fender, so there's no way I'm getting my arm up underneath that in here to fish this piece up where it belongs. So Neil showed me this little trick. You got to get a long zip tie, and just slide it onto the zip tie, yoink, like that. And then this is the hard part, even though this makes it a lot easier. And I'm gonna get this out of the bag too, so I can have it ready to go. I already have the new seat bolt here. This one just like basically vibrated off while I was going down the highway. And so what we're gonna do is try to get this zip tie through this hole by fishing it up under the fender, and you just kind of have to feel your way around in there because there's not enough space for your hand. Oh wait, look, I did it. Neil, freaking first time I found the hole. All right, well, now, did I do it backwards though?
You can just spin it right on around.
See, like now here's where my really bad eyesight comes into play. So I got it out of there enough. Nope, no, that was really helpful. But is that pulled out enough?
Right here is so you got to kind of, there you go.
Right.
See the little notch?
And then this slides in here to
from
keep
the back side.
the back side.
So you have a little thicker finish.
Bam!
Boom!
There we go, awesome.
And that slides right down.
And just push that back out. That was my problem, is this little plastic piece that kind of holds it in there. I think this got old and broke on me, and then it just fell through the seat hole there, and bam, gone. So this is gonna hold the seat in place, so this screws in here. All right, now we're gonna put the seat back on. This thing sometimes does not like to find its little lip here, so we gotta. All right, and then this was the only thing holding my seat on. It was a good thing I had one. Put it back on. My old man back needs that anyway, but sometimes I like to ride without it because the bike just, let's be honest, looks cooler with the tour pack off and the seat off. Screw in the bags through here. I can get this to line up the way it's supposed to. Just like pretty much anything else. I'm sure most of you have done this before, but screw them all the way in until I have them both on. This is more about my bad and nearsightedness than the design or anything. So the seat bolts are one of those Harley parts that actually doesn't cost very much. It's only a few bucks here at Mobile Harley or your local Harley dealer. And I just want to get these on here good and tight. There we go. Buttoned up, ready to go. And now if I want to look cool, take my seat back off and the tour pack off, the seats can actually stay in place. So, and all you need is a little zip tie and you're ready to roll.